everybody? Carfleet's back again, obviously. We're not going away anytime soon. So, first of all, you gotta check out this hairdo. Oh my gosh. So, you know, the mullet was kind of the in trend around here. Now, went from mullet, just get ready, to the buzz cut. It's bold. Oh my gosh. It's safe to say that I must wear a hat now. It's full send around here. It's the full send buzz. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna start with the torsion lift today. We'll get some revs of the exhaust too. I couldn't rev last video, but news for the Ram, guys. First of all, literally 4-wheel parts. I ordered an awning a month and a half ago now. So did Dawson. He ordered one. His said beware of delays or whatever. Mine is a bigger awning. It said nothing. And now it's 2 months later. I emailed them again. They said, yeah, 2 to 3 weeks. Yeah, 2 to 3 weeks. Every time I ask them. Like, it's actually a joke. Like, I don't know if it's them or Smitty built themselves, but it's really frustrating. I wanted to use it for summer, and now summer's gonna be gone before I even get it. Like, it's so annoying. But it is what it is. This is gonna be the next install for the Ram. We got an antenna, and we got a speaker, and we don't have the CB radio yet. So we're waiting. I already ordered it. It's not here yet. So we got the CB coming for the Ram. So yes, the Ram, there'll be another video. Let's get the Ranger going, boys. Let's hear how she sounds. I haven't started her in a week. What I really want to do, and I've been really wanting to do it since the last time I had a Ranger, was a flat deck or like a off-road rear end. And it has the lift-ish already, so it'd be nice and high, the flat deck. Wouldn't have to worry about clearance or anything. But up here, obviously we're doing the torsion today. But I think that'd be so cool. Like, I've always wanted to make something like that. All right, guys, let's see where we even start on this rig here. Where do we even begin with this guy? That's what we're looking for here. That bolt there, right? Yeah. Greasy under here, boys. Oh, she's gonna be a rusty girl, isn't she? I'm gonna have to spray it with some my lube that I got. This is what we're gonna be changing to, is our 4x4 switch right there. That guy's a bit of a gonger. Let's get this torsion. I believe I watched the old Chris Fix video where he was like me, pretty much. Looks like we gotta jack up the front end, and then we'll be good. So let's spray it first, and then we'll jack it up. Let's go right in the middle. There we go, 10.5. Let's see this side. We got 11. Okay, I got her jacked up. That's about as probably where we'd want her, you know? Maxed out torsions. All right, guys, so I've labeled it. As you can see, we got the red, just so I can count the spins. There's also a big oil leak there, so this thing's kind of falling apart as we speak. All right, guys, so this side is done. I did 4 turns. 4 turns total of that bolt. So 4 times around, then you line it up with that spot. Now we'll go to the other side and do the same thing. All right, guys. So we're done. I did 4, dropped it, wasn't too happy. So we went back and did 2 more rotations, so 6 total. Let's see the angle of the front here. That's not bad at all. Like that shouldn't even stress it. So it's looking way more level. So remember, this side was 10.5. Now we're at 11.5. Sitting pretty, that's for sure. She's looking way better. Like, it was so uneven before. Now it's pretty close. Like, if you just look at it from there, it's looking way better. The other thing we're gonna do is the transfer case motor, because the 4x doesn't work. I don't have the part yet, so I gotta go get it. I don't know if I want to keep the fender flares either. They're just not my style, not my type, you know, but there's probably years of rust under there, I would assume. And there's your answer, boys. Oh my. All right guys, so here's the level. Let's see if you can see. But it does look way better. It looks like it's pretty close. It's not quite there. I would say another inch and it'd be there, but it looks so much better. And just way more clearance now to fit bigger wheels. We're gonna do the transfer case motor. It's the new guy. We're gonna pop the old one out. Let's get our tools ready. Before I change it, I'm just gonna show you guys what's actually going on. So when you try to, lights flash, it did engage, I could hear it before. Now there's no engaging. It doesn't click at all. So that's why I'm changing it. And then I should hear it engage after, and it should be working good. Two of them are in a bracket. One's alone up here, 2, 3. And then you got one over here as well. But it should be pretty simple if they come out nicely. It should be a surprise, honestly. All right, everybody, she's in. So pretty easy. Now you see this black line here. This actually wasn't part of it. You have to poke it through the new plug. So if you look at this one, you see on the back there's a little hole. The new one doesn't come with the hole, so you just poke through that rubber grommet, and then it'll end up part of the plug, right in that empty hole there. And then you need that so it works, obviously. So, but it's looking good. It should work now. Let's test out the 4-wheel drive. All right, here goes nothing. Key in, one of the 12 keys on this chain. Key in, 4-wheel drive. Mint. So you guys can hear it, right? If you listen. 4-wheel and then 2. Perfect. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for the Ranger today. So we got the lift up front. We got the 4x4 fixed. So we should be good for a 4x4 trip. I wanna go now. And then we'll do all our mods and see if it's any more capable, which I hope it is. Yeah, I wanna take it to Triangle Road. I think that'll be perfect for this thing. It's just a little playground. You don't have to worry about not having data if something happens. And yeah, Triangle Road. We went off-roading there. It's a pretty good spot just to mess around. But I think we should take this there now. It's ready, that's for sure. It's got 4x, that's the most important part. Honestly, we should take it out just to see if it's worth doing stuff to. If it just blows up, then obviously there's no point. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the sub button, guys. I'm trying to hit 500. We're so close. 482 when I made this video. So please, guys, if you like the content, hit the sub button. It's free. It helps me out a lot. Every time I see a subscriber, it makes me so happy. Like, you guys don't understand. Like, you just think it's a little button, but to me and Dawson, it's a lot more than just a button. It's like progression each time. So thank you guys so much. Hit that sub button. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.